channel. Now in this section we have a 2 by 4 and a 4 by 3 matrix over here. So now let's look at how we can find the product of these two matrices. Now what we are going to do is that, as we are always been doing, it is always the row multiplied by the column, the row multiplied by the column, and then the row multiplied by the column. So that's what we are going to do in this case. So now let's look at how we are going to do this. So first of all, we have 1 here multiplying -1 gives us -1. 2 here multiplies 2 here, we get +4. 3 here multiplies 4 here, we get +12. 4 here multiplied 1 here, we get +4 here. Now that's the first part. Now we'll go on to the second column. So 1 multiplies 0 here, and then we have this to be 0. 2 here multiplies -1 here, we have -2. 3 multiplies 2 here, we have +6. And then we have 4 here multiplies -3 here, we have -12. Now we'll go on to the next one. Now we have 1 multiplies 1 here, when we have +1. We have 2 multiplies 3 here, we have +6. 3 here multiplies 0 here, we have 0. We have 4 multiplies 2 here, and then we have this to be 8 here. So we are done with the first part. Now let's look for the second answer here. Now how are we going to do it? So we are going to do it the same way, but this time we have 5, 6, 7, 8, which is on the row multiplies the whole thing on the column over here. So we have 5 multiplies by -1, we have this to be -5. We have 6 here multiplies by 2, we have +12 here. We have 7 multiplies by 4 here, we have this to be 28. 8 multiplies by 1 here, we have this to be 8. We'll go on to the next one. We have 5 multiplies by 0, we have this to be 0. 6 multiplies by -1, we have -6. 7 multiplies by 2 here, we have this +14. We have 8 multiplies by -3 here, and we have this to be -24. Now we have 5 multiplies by 1 here, we have this to be 5. 6 multiplies by 3 here, we have this to be 18. We have 7 multiplies by 0 here, we have this to be 0. 8 multiplies by 2 here, we have this to be 16. Okay, so this is what we have for the whole matrix. That is the finding the product of these two matrices. So now what will be the final answer? So I'm going to write the final answer here. So let's look at the final answer here. So we have so we are going to find the sum of all of that. So you have -1 plus 4 here gives us +3, plus 5 here gives us 15, plus 4 here gives us 19. And then we have this part. We have 0 minus 2 gives us -2. We have +6 gives us +4. +4 minus 12 gives us -8 in this case. We have this to be 1 plus 6 gives us 7, plus 0 gives us 0. 7 plus 8 gives us 15. Now let's look at this part. -5 plus 12 gives us +7. +7 plus 8 here gives us 35, plus 8 here gives us 43. 0 minus 6 here gives us -6, plus 14 here gives us 8. 8 minus 24 here gives us -16. 5 plus 18 plus 0 plus 16 gives us 39. So that will be all for the matrix in this case. Thank you very much for joining me in this section. I'll meet you guys in the next video.